As you're coaching, even as you're doing other things, that you don't limit yourself, right? And so the lady that I was talking to, she just started her business about 2 years ago, and she just felt like it basically was at the same area that it was before. So sometimes in your business you have to pivot, right? And you got to get yourself out of the field if you truly want to grow and expand and like up level what you're doing. And so one of the things that I do is I share a lot of information on exactly how to do that and the importance of doing that and building your business and building your brand. But the reality is that you cannot do it all alone, right? You cannot do it all alone. Like somewhere along your journey, you're going to need some help. You're going to need coaching. You're going to need, someone to assist you.